Hey guys, and welcome to today's item shop. So as always, we do have yellow jackets still here, plus this outfit, which is pretty awesome. Let's not forget about the back bling that goes perfect with this outfit. And obviously the harvesting tool to go with that, which are pretty cool. Haze is back once again with its pretty cool back bling and the harvesting tool. I gotta say I like both of these styles. And yes, Birdie is back as well. All-time favorite for a lot of people. To go along with that skin, we do have this harvesting tool. And finally, our emotes, Make It Rain. Let's not forget about the cheapest emote you can get right now, which is totally worth it, and Electro Swing. Last but not least, let's not forget about this pretty awesome wrap. And yes, this outfit is still available for purchase. That comes with the perfect back bling. Anyways, that would be it for this item shop. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.